Welcome to channel 5 stars. In this video I'll be reviewing Casio Preview Akai Professional MPK261, 61-key USB MIDI keyboard and drum pad controller. This is my first keyboard of this size, and first time using pads, so this is just my impression. I wish the keys were a little more heavy, and I haven't gotten used to using the pads yet. It feels like I really have to slam on them even at the highest sensitivity to get a sound. I really just want to be able to tap my fingers like finger drumming on a desk, but I'm sure I'll learn the muscle memory required. I hadn't fully realized that I'm actually picking up two instruments here, and it's going to take a while for me to learn, but the hardware works great other than my little gripes. Comes with a lot of software that I didn't really need, but if you don't have a DAW and a keyboard plugin, then it's nice that they include them. I would definitely recommend fully weighted keys and a full-size keyboard, and then maybe just get the drum pads separate if you can afford it. A lot of people I've seen calling people who buy these stupid because it's not full-size weighted. Well, it's also 4 times as expensive to do that, so the choices for me were this or just continue trying to make piano noise with my computer keyboard. Piano roll. This works much better. We are a participant in the Amazon Services LLC Associates Program, an affiliate advertising program designed to provide a means for us to earn fees by linking to Amazon.com and affiliated sites.